An embarrassing photo circulates during third period. A private screenshot is forwarded to the entire class. An angry comment blows up a group chat. Students frequently find themselves in these situations without a compass. They lack the innate skills to navigate digital threats and often struggle to identify the safest way to respond. This model illustrates the difference between two approaches. The reactive loop focuses on stopping an incident after it happens, while the formative loop focuses on building student competence before an incident occurs. Adopting the formative loop means integrating digital safety into your daily instruction. This makes you a digital safety leader, a role that stands alongside your academic work. Every digital interaction that spills into your classroom, from a message to a comment, is an opportunity to show students how their choices impact themselves, their peers, and the school environment. Modern educators equip students with the critical thinking skills required to make sound, independent digital decisions. Telling a student to practice good digital citizenship is too abstract, and it causes cognitive overload in stressful moments. They need a simple, repeatable behavioral algorithm. First, stop. Pause completely before clicking or reacting. Next, think. Could this hurt or mislead someone? Then, respect privacy and boundaries. Fourth, protect personal information, accounts, and safety. Finally, report immediately if any situation becomes harmful, threatening, or unsafe. Mastering this specific 5-step algorithm equips your students with an immediate, concrete mental checklist to stop digital harm before it starts. This framework will only succeed if it is woven into your everyday classroom culture, rather than treated as a single, isolated lesson. You can deploy this practically. Run short scenarios during homeroom and discuss real, relatable online situations that mirror what your students are experiencing. Reinforce specific behaviors daily. Remind them not to forward harmful content, and build a routine where they always ask for permission before sharing photos of one another. You must also empower the student bystanders. Make it clear that speaking up is the expected standard when they witness cyberbullying, threats, or coercion in digital spaces. A critical component of this culture is clarity. Ensure your students explicitly know which safe adults in the building they can approach for help. Read this prompt. If a student walks up to you right now and reports a leaked private photo, what are your exact first 3 words to that student? Take a second to confront your immediate verbal reaction. By proactively practicing these habits and examining our own instincts, we shift the classroom environment from a state of vulnerability to one of active preparation. Whatever 3 words you chose, your immediate priority during a live report must be to maintain strict neutrality and listen calmly. There are specific actions to avoid. Do not dismiss the concern. Do not shame the student for their involvement, and never publicly confront anyone involved in the incident. This flowchart details the incident response protocol. After you listen calmly and maintain neutrality, preserve important digital evidence. Then, follow your school's established reporting procedures. Finally, rely on the 5 core actions to guide student behavior and your leadership. Stop, think, respect, protect, and report. When you lead by example and execute these responses properly, you prevent a digital problem from becoming a real-world crisis, creating a safer school community.